Our vision for the Indian Ocean region, therefore, is to preserve its organic unity while advancing cooperation. We will use our capabilities for the collective well-being and the mutual benefit of our maritime neighbors and island states in building their capabilities as we envisage the Indian Ocean as an engine for growth and prosperity in our region and beyond. It is of utmost importance that these waters remain safe and secure. We consider it an imperative that those who live in this region bear the primary responsibility for the peace, stability, and prosperity of the Indian Ocean.
If you look at the Indian Ocean and you compare it to the Pacific or even the Atlantic, we have a significantly younger population, hungry for knowledge, able to utilize the latest digital tools, and they deserve our support. And I am sure that all of us in this room and beyond will commit to creating this future.
I'm heartened to see that as countries of the Indian Ocean region, we have realized the importance of our ocean and the unique link with its peoples. They need to be empowered and equipped with the right tools and know-how to be able to become the real guardians of the peace, progress, and prosperity that we are building today.
Just a few hundred meters from temple trees is an ocean that is destined to design the future of the world. Our shores are washed by the waters of this great ocean. It has shaped us as a distinct people. Our future development is intrinsically linked to it, and we share responsibility in keeping its waters safe. We believe, as people of the Indian Ocean, peace, progress, and prosperity are goals that need to be pursued together.
With growing population in many of our member countries, harnessing sea resources and sea-based economic activities have been important more than before.
The Indian Ocean traditional status as an international trade highway is more significant than ever.
The key to unleashing the potential is freedom, democracy, and the rule of law. Japan will work together with you to champion these important values.
Identifying common challenges and finding amicable solutions will help us as a community of nations to grow, prosper, and secure our future together.
It's been terrific to be here. The India Foundation has done a wonderful job of bringing together all sorts of people to discuss these critical issues.
I feel very honoured to have been invited by the India Foundation to come here. It's been very interesting to learn perspectives on the future of the Indian Ocean and regional cooperation in this area.
Establishing a peaceful Indian Ocean region is essential for the long and short-term well-being of our region and the billions of people to whom this region is home.
The Indian Ocean is about people, culture, and commerce. Appreciating its complex texture and intricate nuances is essential to nurture its growth and resurgence. It must be approached with empathy, not as a business. It must be treated as a partner, not as an arena. The goal must be interdependence, not dominance.
Australia recognises the strategic significance of the Indian Ocean. We want to work with all our partners in the region to create a strong Indian Ocean personality that will draw the diverse countries of our region together.
We're very happy that this conference has now gained its momentum, and hopefully will start making a presence in this region and trying to get the stakeholders to come and participate in a much more meaningful way.
I sincerely hope that the spirit of today's conference, peace, progress, prosperity, not only blossoms in the Indian Ocean region, but also in the Northeast Asia and on the Korean Peninsula.
It's worth noting the economies throughout the Indo-Asia-Pacific region continue to flourish because of the collective respect for and adherence to international rules and standards that have produced the longest era of peace and prosperity in modern times in this region.
The culture that the Indian Ocean Conference wants to foster and promote is one of cooperation and mutuality, not of hierarchy, competition, or dominance.
It's an honor for me to be part of the Indian Ocean Conference 2017. As a GCC citizen, we came here to see how can we move forward and to gain more prosperity between the Indian Oceans and between the GCC country.
So those who wish to see countries around the Indian Ocean operate as a region will therefore have to lay the foundational basis of regional consciousness. And that has to start at the educational, cultural, and people-to-people level.
So for the IOR to work, it is not just commerce or joint maritime exercises, but the sense of belonging and being accepted despite those differences.
We should overcome the Cold War zero-sum mentality. It is my belief Indian Ocean must not become a battleground for new Cold War. Otherwise, no one will be a winner.
Because it can't be just the Maldives and the Seychelles of the world who have a much more immediate and much more existential threat from climate change that are worried about it. It must be all of us that take action jointly.
And so what I like about this conference is that it says, in the early part of the 21st century, let us try to bring back the idea, the significance of the Indian Ocean region and use it culturally, use it politically, and crucially use it as a way of integrating different countries that have a lot in common.
Personally, I feel that the conference has achieved all the goals that were set rather handsomely. It has given us a multifaceted picture of the Indian Ocean, our commonalities and our challenges. It has also indicated the more detailed areas across the whole theme of peace, progress and prosperity that we need to work on hereafter.
India Sagaraya මේ සාගරයේ ආශිර්වාදය ලබන මේ පැමිණ සිටින රටවල් වල ජනතාවට පමණක් නොව මුළු ලෝක ප්‍රජාවට ජාත්‍යන්තර ආර්ථිකයට ජාත්‍යන්තර වශයෙන් ආරක්ෂාව සඳහා නව තාක්ෂණික දැනුම බෙදා හදා ගැනීම සඳහා නව තාක්ෂණික නාවික කටයුතු සඳහා ලෝකයේ සියලුම රටවල් වල ආර්ථික වෙළඳ ද්විපාර්ශ්වික සම්බන්ධතා ශක්තිමත් කර ගැනීම සඳහා ඉතාමත්ම වැදගත් වෙනවා.
It has emerged as a very, very significant event. All the Indian Ocean regional countries have come together to discuss about the future of the region, to discuss about the ways and means of increased involvement of the countries of the region in managing the affairs of the region.